Dear learners, welcome to this learning platform. Let's enjoy the grammar moments. Today I will teach you pattern of sentences. As you know, a declarative sentence has different patterns. What is that pattern? What are the patterns? Suppose I eat. I is a subject, it is a verb. So this pattern is known as SP pattern or S plus B, subject plus verb. I eat rice, subject, eat verb, rice object, S plus B plus O pattern. So why it is the rice is the object? I am telling you, so I eat rice. Let us passivize the sentence. Let us turn this sentence into passive form or what we call voice tense. Rice is eaten by me. In passivization, which one comes to the front position and act as a subject is called object. So I eat rice is your SVO pattern. He is strong. Subject is a verb, stronger complement, SVC. I gave him money. I subject, gave your verb, me indirect object, money direct object. So this is S plus B plus O plus O. He calls me excellent. He subject calls verb, me object excellent, your complement S plus B plus O plus C. So let me teach you first what is a sentence and what are the patterns first of all. You just do one thing, you just open your page, grammar book, page 14, patterns. Someone has said that I am trying to say it all in one sentence between one cap and one period. I am trying to say it all in one sentence between one cap and one period. You write it down. It is said by William Faulkner. Faulkner, F-U-L-K-N-E-R. I have given one example. He eats, as I have already told you that he eats, he is subject, eats is verb. So you just do one thing. You write it down. Then in detail, I will teach you all the patterns S plus B, S plus B plus O, S plus B plus O plus O, S plus O, S plus B plus O plus C, etc. So write it down and let me wait for that time. Okay, let's enjoy the grammar moments again. I have written your patterns, page 14. Again, I am reminding you SB as it is written in a book, subject, verb, intransitive. The boy came, S plus B, S plus B. The wind blows, S plus V. SVO, he subject, answered verb, the question object. Third one, the postman gave me a parcel, S plus V plus O plus C, O plus O. That you just write down here. SVOO, okay. Then SVC, Mr. Das is a teacher, SVC. Then SVOC, they found him dead. You write them down. So after this, I will teach you how to identify your complements. So write it down first. Okay. Let's see, I have already told you how to identify complements. He is tall. Any word or words used before is definitely a subject. Any word used after is complement. He is tall. So subject, verb, complement or SVC. Now let us see. As I have told you, after is all the words are complements. So dash is tall, this person is subject. He is dash, this person is complement. So any word used after is your subject complement. This is your subject complement. The next one, I call him nonsense. He is a nonsense, so he is a nonsense. So nonsense is used after is. This is your complement, and this particular complement is used after he. That he is your object. So nonsense is called your object complement. So write it down. See how this is very simple. She is beautiful. After is beautiful is used. Beautiful is your complement because it is used after is. Suppose he seems happy. He seems happy. So whether this is complement or not, you just substitute seems with is. He is happy. So is equal to seems is equal to is. So seems is called a link verb. So after link verb, all words are complements. What are the link verbs? Your looks, your appears, something like that. You simply remember after is or link verb, all words are complements, and these are the rules. You write them down, and after this, you see if you practice for 1 or 2 days with regular repetitions, this will be very much easier. Find out patterns in examinations. It will be, I'm sure, that will help you in your examinations. After this, I will prepare another video on four functional types of sentences like declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. So I think you must like it, share it, and subscribe to and enjoy the grammar moments. Happy watching. Thank you.